Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you or your man are looking for some new colognes, I would like to introduce you to this one. This is Versace Man Eau Fraiche. For me, this has fresh, masculine tones to it. I'm definitely getting citrus with some woody notes. My husband has had this cologne for a really long time and he's always been really happy with it, and I love how it smells on him as well, so that's always a great extra added advantage. One thing that he says he loves about it is that it's long lasting, but it also doesn't feel too overpowering. So if you are looking for just a great cologne, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.